Now we are heading to 5.5, right? So 5.5 says to us, we are given the expression over there, and they say both the identity 5.5.1. So to solve 5.5.1, you need your golden tips on how to prove your identities. So you take the most complicated side. That's the first tip that you should consider. So the most complicated side, it is our left-hand side. We take our left-hand side, which is cosh 2x plus cosh squared x plus 3 sine squared x. Then we divide that by 2, subtract 2 sine squared x, right? So we took the most complicated side. So according to the trigonometric, um, when you prove the identities in trigonometry, like I said, you should follow the golden rules. So the golden rules go like, number one, you take the most complicated side. We took the most complicated side. Number two, if you see a quotient identity, you change it. At this point in time, we don't see tan. What? We can't change it. Number three, look out for an opportunity to factorize, right? The only thing that we can factorize so far it is this one at the bottom. But at the top, we cannot factorize anything, right? And then the other thing that you should take into consideration, yeah, let's just look out for the opportunity to factorize. Let's follow the golden tips. No matter how long it could be, but follow the golden tips. So I'm gonna write everything as it is at the top. We factorize, we take out 2 outside, we left with 1 minus sine squared x, right? And then after factorizing, if you can cancel, then that's when you cancel. But if you cannot cancel, then you cannot cancel. You leave it as it is, right? Right. And then now, if you have the identities, the double angles, most especially when you have the double angles, you change your double angles. So at this point in time, we have this double angle over here. Remember, this can be expressed in terms of cos, it can expressed in terms of sine. So if we want to make life much more easier, I believe that we should express it in terms of sine so that we can work out with that one. So when we express it in terms of sine, when we said sign expressing it, I think I deleted it. Okay, let me look at here at my formula. If we express it in terms of sine, that will be, or in terms of cos, that will be 2 cos squared x minus 1, the double angle, right? Plus cos squared x plus 3 sine squared x divided by, we have 2 here, and then this, it is which identity? Cos squared x, of which we are happy we got it at the bottom, so we need to work out everything at the top, and these two we should make sure that it disappears. And then now what we do is we can simplify. So this guy and this guy, they are the same, so we can just simply add them. So but again, 2 cos squared x plus 2 cos squared x plus 2 cos squared x plus cos squared x is going to be 3. We're going to have 3 cos squared x, right? And then I'm going to bring this one close to it, plus 3 sine squared x. We have minus 1 there alone. Divide by 2 cos squared x. And then from here, we can, again, this is a identity, just that we have 3. So the answer there will be 3 minus 1 divided by 2 cos squared x. Maybe you're asking myself, oh boy,